This video is to show you how to zip your Visual Basic file for your submission. So go looking for your folder, go into your Documents folder. Okay, choose Visual Studio 2019, which is where all your projects should be going, unless you have another place that you're storing them. And then at this point right here, don't go into the folder. All right, don't go into the folder. What I want you to do is I want you from here, I want you to create a new folder and I want you to put your name on it. Put your last name on the folder so that I know who is submitting the folder. All right, so you'll create a folder with your name on it. And then what I want you to do is I want you to pick your project. So here's my Visual Basic project. And I'm going to click and drag it into my Kiskaddin folder. So inside there, you can see my inventories in there. And we're doing this just for the sake of your submission. What you want to do then to zip it is you'll right click on the folder and you are going to choose Send To. When you choose Send To, you want to click on Compressed Zip Folder. And so when I do that, what it's going to do is it's going to create another folder with the same name on it, but you can see there is a zipper now on the folder. So when you go into Canvas and you want to upload your project, you need to zip it first. When you go to hit Submit Assignment, you'll search for the file on your laptop, click on it, and it will upload this zipped file here.